Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset a Nissan Altima oil light. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the menu and arrow buttons conveniently located on the left side of your steering wheel. These controls are essential for navigating through the various options on your dashboard display, making the reset process quite simple. Now, use the arrow buttons on your steering wheel to scroll through the dashboard menus until you reach the settings screen. Once there, continue using the down arrow to highlight the maintenance option. When maintenance is selected, press the Enter or OK button to access its submenu and proceed to the next step. Within the maintenance menu, you will find an option labeled Oil and Filter or sometimes just Service. Select this option carefully. Then, look for and choose the Reset function specifically for the oil system. The display will likely ask for confirmation. Simply confirm your selection to complete the reset process and turn off the light. After confirming the reset, your Nissan Altima's oil light should now be off, indicating the system has been successfully reset. If, for any reason, the light remains illuminated, please refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for model-specific instructions or alternative reset methods. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.